Wait a second, that's not Rob. Let me fix this. All right, guys, so I'm still waiting on Rob to come out here. He's with a client right now. So 2021 bronze, new color, bronze CVO. Man, look at this thing. I mean, so a couple of different things that I noticed about it already. There is an LED light right here for your bag. So you open up your bag and you can see down inside of your bag now at night. Your CVO badge right here. How cool is that? Right over here, heated seats. So on those cold days, you've got your heated grips right here, and now you've got your heated seats. The lower forks on this bike, look at this. That bronze color looks like the exhaust as well. Man, I'm telling you, they told us in that virtual release that they really focused on colors this year, and I'm gonna tell you, you can tell it's a big focus because these colors, they've knocked it out of the park on these colors, man. Oh yeah, before I forget, guys, look at this. LED lights from the factory right here. It's a smoked tail light. I'm gonna run around front over here. Check this out right here. LED lights right here. Same with the headlight. Man, guys, they are listening. That's Courtney yelling in the background. As usual, I'll put Rob's information in the description. And remember, I don't work for Moonshine. I just come up here. So you got to ask Rob questions. You can call Rob, you can email Rob, and he'll have all the information about this bike. Anything that you want to know, and a lot of stuff that you didn't even think you wanted to know, Rob's going to have this info. If you have not already, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look, I've got... Oh, stall.